Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here's today's generative AI news for April 12th, 2024. The AI revolution is disrupting the creative industries and powering smarter virtual assistants. The world of AI just keeps getting crazier and crazier. There's this new service called Udio that can actually generate entire songs from written prompts. Like, you just feed it some lyrics, pick a genre like country or hip-hop, and boom, the AI whips up a whole music track for you. It's pretty wild stuff, created by some former DeepMind engineers. From what I've heard, the AI-generated tunes can be really impressive in terms of production quality, but they're not always perfect. The lyrics and melodies don't always hit the mark. I imagine some human polish is still needed to make it really shine. But look, this kind of AI music generation is controversial, to say the least. Over 200 artists, including some huge names, protested this exact type of technology. Their big concern is AI eating into their creative work and livelihoods as musicians. From Udio's side, they claim their system has safeguards to avoid ripping off specific artists' styles. But they haven't really opened up the hood on how it all works. I'm sure the details on their model and training data would be really interesting to dig into. Bottom line, AI-powered music is arriving whether we like it or not. It's up to us how we adapt and incorporate it. But one thing's for sure, it's shaking up the music world big time. Meta is gearing up for a major AI launch. Their advanced Llama 3 model is set to debut later this year. Llama 3 is an open-source, multimodal powerhouse that will drive the virtual assistant in Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. We're talking about an AI model that could rival or even surpass OpenAI's vaunted GPT-4 in capability. With the ability to process speech, video, and real-world spatial data, Llama 3 will enable Meta's assistant to handle way more complex tasks and communicate much more naturally. This is just the start, though. Meta's bigger vision is for their Llama-powered Meta AI assistant to become the world's most useful AI helper. Future versions will get integrated across Meta's apps and services like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. And with a massively expanded training dataset behind Llama 3, we can expect big leaps in reasoning ability and general smarts from Meta AI. The AI assistant race is really heating up, and Meta is betting big on Llama to take the lead. Notion, the popular $10 billion productivity startup, is setting its sights on an ambitious goal: to build an AI everything app that could potentially challenge the dominance of tech giants like Microsoft and Google in the workplace. The company plans to integrate AI capabilities across its entire platform, allowing users to generate content, automate workflows, and even make strategic decisions with the help of intelligent algorithms. This could expand Notion's capabilities far beyond its origins as a note-taking and collaboration tool. By building an AI everything app, Notion is positioning itself as a challenger to the traditional productivity suites offered by the tech giants. The company believes its focus on user-friendliness and seamless integration of AI can give it an edge. However, Notion will face significant challenges in realizing its AI ambitions, as developing advanced AI capabilities across a wide range of domains is a highly complex and resource-intensive endeavor. This is an important development for the productivity software industry, as it could fundamentally change the way people work and collaborate in the digital age. If Notion is successful, users may be able to offload a wide range of tasks to AI assistants, freeing up more time for strategic thinking and creative work. However, the integration of AI also raises questions about privacy, transparency, and the potential displacement of human labor. That's it for today's generative AI news from today's sources: Ars Technica, Tom's Guide, and Forbes. Thank you for listening. For more information, the links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.